Good afternoon, guys. Today we're live here at, pre-recorded here at Universal's Orlando. We're gonna go check out the Epic Universe shop, and I want to get a night ride on VelociCoaster, so they never got one. But today is just gonna be like a no game plan type day here at Universal. I'm gonna get a night ride on VelociCoaster, and then going back to the Universe preview shop, so I'll show you guys what it looks like. The Universe preview shop is actually next to the right of Vivo's and like right in front of Aunt Joto's. We're going there to show the model because I never showed the Epic Universe preview store on my channel before. So I'm very excited for it. So we're wearing an appropriate shirt to go in here today, the Epic Universe shirt. You walk in, you actually agree with these like Epic Universe shirts that people are wearing with the hats. And you have the shirt over here, and this is actually the same one I'm wearing right now. And you have the Epic Universe wallets, Epic Universe fanny packs, a little book bag, and the Epic Universe magnets, lanyards, and sweatshirts. Here's a section I was very excited to show off in the video. It's actually the model of Epic Universe. Right there's Celestial Park, and the roller coaster down that way, or the yellow and gray roller coaster are the closer to. There's actually Stardust Racer. It's a dual Mach, the launch coaster. It's only 144 feet, but it looks like it's going to be quite a force to ride. And over there is actually the How to Train Your Dragon roller coaster in that section over there. It's the Harry Potter Ministry of Magic. It's actually the Harry Potter section in this park, and it's themed actually to Fantastic Beasts. And the ride's going to be like, it's supposed to have the same ride vehicle as Transformers and Spider-Man, but it's going to be like an elevator shaft type ride, and it's supposed to take place of the trial of the Mystery Magic. Helios, the main hotel for Epic Universe, that's actually on the property. Pretty cool. It's very nice. The land at Epic Universe I'm actually most excited about. It's actually the Dark Universe, but there's actually a Mach spin coaster, and that is actually the Dark Ride. It's going to be Monsters Unchained. It's Monster Unchained Dark Ride, and it's going to be like the Harry Potter, the Castle Ride, but it's going to have animatronics instead. Here's actually Donkey Kong Country. You can see the Donkey Kong roller coaster there, and then over back there it's the Super Nintendo World, where they actually have the Yoshi ride. They're going to have the Browser Challenge, Mario Kart, and that's it, I believe, for rides in that section. People are saying that got the previews already, saying the Isle of Berk is the best land in the park, believe it or not. Right here is what the portal looks like for the Ministry Magic that they have in the Epic Universe store. And they will show because no one's currently here. But you pretty much just walk into France. Then the portal when you walk into Super Nintendo World is right over here, and then it has a separate entrance for Donkey Kong Country right over there to the right of it. You have a lot of cool Super Mario Brother version here. I can't wait for this park to open. Here's the Dark Universe portal, and they actually have a Frankenstein monster next to the Dark Universe portal. Well, I'm gonna get ready to do my live stream, and I'm gonna start off the live stream in the Epic Universe store and then work my way to the studios, then to Island of Adventure. So I'll see you guys after the live stream, or middle of the live stream. At Universal Studios, I just did the live stream here. It went very well, I thought, but I want to ride a couple rides. Maybe I'll ride the Revenge of the Mommy. I'll ride Revenge of the Mommy and get on that ride real quick. I want to ride that Rip Ride Rockit when it's dark outside. So I'm going to wait for Rip Ride Rockit for it's dark outside. I want to get the Muppet song, since it's a Muppet song on this attraction for some reason. I don't know how they got the rights to the Muppets, but they had the rights to the Muppets. So I'm going to head towards the Revenge of the Mommy and give that a ride. But I have a YouTube short idea I want to do with Rip Ride Rockit anyway, so it kind of works out good. Currently posted at 35-minute wait. I'm getting actually the one-time quick pass I have with my annual pass to get on there, honestly. So see you guys when I get on the ride. That's fine, I have straps.
Get out of here! The curse is real! This whole place is a trap! He's after your soul! Where's the bitch out here?
Silence! With your souls, I shall rule for eternity. My beginnings. Behold your fate. So your destiny. Your souls are
Enjoy your ride. Please remain seated and keep your arms and legs firm.
Ride on the Revenge of Mommy was great. The guy knew I was a coaster enthusiast, so he gave me like front row for it. So I got like a cool experience from riding it. And I just checked out how the footage came with the Meta Ray-Bans, and it actually looks pretty good. The footage, the only problem is it's gonna be vertical. But I do my best to make it look like it's full screen, so it won't be like it's a, you see black bars on the side. But I make my best. And now that I can go head to Diagon Alley, I'm interested in getting the butterbeer ice cream, and I had the gift card from Universal I still had to use. So I'm gonna go there and get the butterbeer ice cream. I'm right here in front of the ice cream shop. That's quite lengthy late, but the dragon's about to go off. That's a quite lengthy wait over here. Outside Diagon Alley. I haven't even tried the ice cream yet because that's so loud in there, so I'm gonna eat it right over here. It's just because I don't remember it to be. I highly recommend trying the butterbeer ice cream. It's the best version of butterbeer they have here in Universal. I highly suggest it. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this off camera, then get back with you guys afterwards. Butterbeer ice cream was phenomenal. It's like I said, it's the best way to have butterbeer, honestly, butterbeer ice cream. But now I'm gonna head over to Rip Ride Rockit. It's 7:30 and this park closes in the next half an hour. So I wanna see if I can get some off-ride shots, have the lights blinking on it and for a YouTube Shorts idea, and then ride it. And then I'm probably gonna hop over this Islands Adventure and get like a ride on the whole. But I can get some shots. I probably insert the shots in this video. But I like using this tripod actually better than the DJI tripod. I'm using the Insta360 tripod selfie stick. And I like how this one's better since it turns into like a whole big tripod. So it's pretty cool. But I'm gonna head over to Rip Ride Rockit and I'll see you guys when I get there. Construction update here at Universal. To do something with the water show they have here, which I absolutely adore this water show. I had like fireworks projections on like, these buildings. I absolutely adore this water show, but they're doing something with it. I hope it doesn't go away because I absolutely adore it. When the broken season and the dead. The phantom, the demon in the summer, enjoying the black parade. When I was a young boy, I was into the city to be a marching band. That ride on Rip Ride Rockit was phenomenal. I absolutely love that coaster. Like, I'm one of the few coaster enthusiasts that love that thing. I hope that doesn't go away. I know it's going away because they filed a patent for it, but I hope whoever plays it has like a music option like this and pay homage of it. I absolutely love Rip Ride Rockit. I actually chose Welcome to Black Parade by My Chemical Romance as my song. That song hits hard for me on that. It's one of my favorite songs to begin with, Welcome to Black Parade, but on that, it's harder just because that's going away soon. But now I think I'm gonna make my way to Islands Adventure. I feel like riding Hulk and a couple in VelociCoaster are nuts. I never rode a VelociCoaster at night before. I heard it's a lot better at night, according to what my friend told me. And one of my friends in my friend group that goes here is actually moving to New Jersey. And I'm kind of sad about it. And I'm kind of sad about it because I don't even think we ever went here together before. But me and her, well, she works with me and we got close, and she's moving to New Jersey, and she was a big Universal fan. I was also. We just never went here together. But I think we're planning to do a trip to Epic when she comes back. She's going to a Metallica concert in Georgia. So she's planning to go Epic during that same week. So if she does, I'll probably buy a ticket to go Epic to hang out with her there. But I'm gonna head over to Islands Adventure and just try to get some night rides on Hulk and VelociCoaster. I may try to do a reverse road drop on Hagrid to see how long the wait is. If I reverse road drop, they're open till 9 o'clock at night. This park's only open till 8 o'clock, and it's about 8 o'clock already. I was hoping to get a complete dark ride on Rip Ride Rockit, but that wasn't possible tonight. But see, you got the Islands Adventures. One of the things I actually want to show you guys is how cool the facial recognition is. I showed my live stream it earlier when I went to the studios. I'll show you when I get to Islands. I'm in line. I have to get my pass out. It's actually a lot quicker way to get people in and out of the park or into the park. So I appreciate that Universal does that. It's a genius idea. It's probably Disney hasn't done it yet. But I think it's a genius idea to get people into the park quicker if they're pass holder, or if they have your picture on your ticket to begin with. So it's just easier to get in and out. You don't have to pull your pass out or anything. You just scan your face and you can tell if you have a pass or not. I think it's a brilliant idea from Universal. But first thing I'm gonna hit up is actually the Hulk. Since the Hulk is at the front of the park, so I figured I'd hit up Hulk first. I'm actually really enjoying making this video today. It's very fun making a video just so I have no plans really what I'm doing here besides going VelociCoaster at night, but it's very fun at night so far. I really enjoy Universal. Islands Adventure specifically is my favorite theme park right now. As much as I love Busch Gardens for the coasters, they don't operate the coasters that good. Like Universal, they're very good with the operation. That's why I like them as a theme park in general. I'm very glad that they know what they're doing here. I'll see you guys when I get a Hulk. I'm on the way here waiting for a Hulk to launch out of that station area. This is the cool sight to see. It's about to launch right now. Look at this. This is an awesome sight seeing Hulk launch out of the station to 40 miles per hour in 2 seconds. Well, Hulk is posted at a 25-minute wait, but I had the express pass part of my annual pass. So I'm gonna use the express pass lane and get to the lockers. And I'll see you guys on the ride.
Hulk's transformation is silent. Do not be afraid.
3, 2, 1. All right, that night ride on the Incredible Hulk coaster was just beeping phenomenal. Not a regular phenomenal, phenomenal. It's very good, that night ride. I got front row at night. It was just phenomenal ride experience. You guys will see it, put the glasses, but it was just a phenomenal ride experience. And the sad thing is, this park's never opened this late, so people can't experience like that experience I just had. That was just a phenomenal experience, the Hulk ride at night. It's the same coaster to begin with, but it's even more insane at night. I absolutely loved it. I love the Hulk. But now I'm gonna make my way towards VelociCoaster. Since I never got a night ride on VelociCoaster because every time I come here, the park closes at 7 on a week. But they open till 9 today, so I'll get my night ride on VelociCoaster today. I'm just very excited to get that night ride on VelociCoaster. For me, Hulk was like a number 2 coaster on my list. Yeah, Hulk was actually competing with VelociCoaster because of how intense that ride. So I can't wait to get the VelociCoaster night ride. I know that takes a long time for the train loops to make it go faster, but I can't wait to get that VelociCoaster night ride. I know it's gonna be phenomenal, that coaster night ride. I'll see you guys when I get to VelociCoaster. To go Drew a couple times, it looks like it's running faster than I've ever seen it run before. I cannot wait to ride this thing at night. I seriously cannot wait to ride this thing at night. It looks like a whole new ball game. They look like the character, like the dinosaur effects even look better. I just can't wait to ride it at night. I hope it's not a long way with the quick queue. I just cannot wait to ride this thing. It's gonna be probably my best ride on this thing ever. Posted at 65-minute wait. I have the express pass, so I'm using the express pass with it. That ride on VelociCoaster is absolutely insane. I think I got that to beat me by far now. Officially being Gwazi on my list. Night Ride is the way to go on that thing. It's a phenomenal coaster with a great layout. I just love it in general. I'm glad that this is only like an hour and 10 minutes away from my house, this coaster. I love this coaster. I couldn't end the Florida or this stay in the Universal Hotel better by riding that ride. That was just a phenomenal ride on VelociCoaster. I love VelociCoaster a lot. He's my number one now. If VelociCoaster number one, Gwazi number two, and number three is Guardians. That night ride was just made a game changer. The park needs to stay open later so people can witness it. It's just phenomenal, that night ride. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.